Okay. What's the price?
All right, the loser has to pick up the balls.
Deal, baby.
Yeah, just don't hit the water.
Watch this. Come on.
Ooh.
Ah.
Whoa.
Okay, I'm just warming up.
Okay, second serve. Woo.
Come on. Keep rolling, baby. Come on.
Wow.
Roll on. You cannot do better than that.
I could use a powerful drag right now.
You don't stand a chance.
Whoa. Woo.
My God, hole in one. I'm having it tested
yeah.
for doping right now. Are you sure you didn't take anything?
Don't fool around with me, loser. Well, I'm not indifferent to comments like this. I mean, NOLE is a really nice guy, so he won't have to pick up the balls. And what happened is that he's chosen a different punishment. Huh?
You just hit it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, but don't hurt me. Do you think it's possible?
Are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, Maria Sharapova serves for the win. Now I have 3 balls. You're incredible.